Go to panzoid.com to create an intro. Link in the description for the link. Choose a template. There are many to choose from. Press open in Clip Maker. This is your Clip Maker. Here you can edit text, objects, backgrounds, music, and audio. Pressing the little eye icon shows you what the video will look like. These 3 places are the most important. Look for areas that begin with text. Click on all of them and then type anything you want. You can even change text color. In this example I will use yellow. When changing fonts, make sure to apply it to every text box. Here you can change the music to anything you want. I didn't have a music to use, so I left it alone. Finally, the rendering process. Here you can render the video and then download it afterwards. There are 4 types of video qualities. Fastest render, the fastest rendering speeds, but has the lowest video quality. Balanced, decent quality with fast rendering speed. Recommended, good quality, really good quality with a decent render speed. Extreme quality, the best video quality, but has the slowest rendering speeds. Your intro should be ready to download.